Using first step, we got access to our Redux state. Now inside this second step, we are going to get access to our dispatch function using which we can dispatch action. So for that, below this map state to props, I am going to create another function mapDispatchToProps. Again, you can give any function name. Here I will write mapDispatchToProps. Again, this will be an arrow function. Again, this function will be returning object. I will change the spelling. Now inside this function, we are going to pass dispatch as its parameter. Inside map state to props, we have passed state as its parameter to get access to our Redux state. And inside map dispatch to props, we are giving dispatch as its parameter. And this allows to map action creators to a prop in a component. And in my component, I will be writing props. And below this, I will write log. And inside this, I will be writing props. I will open this application and in my console you can see in return what I got. In return I got object. As of now I do not have anything inside this object. Why? Because inside this props I have not added any properties. So my prop is nothing but an object and currently it is empty. So this dispatch will allow us to map action creators to the prop in our component. Now, in this application, we have created only one action creator, that is order pizza, and we have also exported this order pizza. Now what I will do, I will come inside this pizza box. So inside this function, I will be writing dispatch, and inside this I will be passing my action creator order pizza. Now this entire value I have to store inside one property, and this function is going to return object. So object should be having properties and values. So I will give the property name as order pizza. Now this time this is not simple property. Instead this will be an arrow function which will be dispatching action creator from Redux. Why this is arrow function? Because I have to call this function, only then I will be dispatching this action. So here I will be writing colon, then this is nothing but arrow function. It is simply like we are passing method inside object. So here for state, we have only passed property. Why? Because inside state, we have only one property. But now we are passing this as a method. Why? Because once we call this method, we have to call this dispatch function, which will be dispatching this order pizza action. But now this is my action creator. I am using inside pizzabox.js. So I have to import this order pizza. But what I like to do in future, I will be having multiple action creators. So here, so inside Redux, I will be creating one file index.js, and here I will write export. I'm just going to write order pizza from, I just want to export order pizza from, I will write here pizza, and then I'm going to write pizza actions. So from this file, I have just exported my action creator. Save it. Now inside pizzabox.js, I am just using my action creator order pizza. So I have to import this action creator. Here I will write import. Then I'm going to write order pizza, and it is available inside index.js. And whenever we write index.js, it is the entry point, and this file is present inside Redux. So that is the reason after Redux, file name is not added. If you want to add, you can add, but usually we don't add index.js. We have successfully completed the second step. We have passed dispatch function as its parameter, which will allow us to map action creators to the prop in the component. So here I have created property order pizza, which will be an arrow function which dispatches the action order pizza from Redux store. So successfully, now we got access to our state and also we got access to dispatch function.